to drop off some packages. You already know how I roll with the downshifts. So we're pretty much out of the mountains now. Now I'm gonna put the GoPro where the exhaust is at. Tire letters are done after the canyon. Let's go get some sound clips, guys. Let's do it. Check out this driveway. It's kind of steep, so we're gonna see if my carbon fiber lip will break right now.
Where's the bird? Come straight, come straight. Turn it a little bit, turn it a little bit, turn it a little bit.
Drop off some packages. Gotta get that morning boost. You already know how I roll with the downshifts. Check it out. Gotta drop these orders off. We'll be right back. Check out these jet tags. Got the EddieNuffSaid in the front, the end in the back, and then I have the Live for the Rumble jet tags. These are very popular. These Live for the Rumble jet tags. Make sure you get them before they sell out again. I'll show you guys a little walk around of the Blobeye. It's a little dirty, but it's all good. Let's get out of here. You can just smell the E85 in here. The fumes. It smells hella good in the back right there, but I don't have anything in there right now. Check out that stitching in the sunlight. Of course, the pink stitching to match the famous STI Blossom Pink colorway. Check out that top secret dog tag. You're in the sun. Looks pretty cool. And in the back has a top secret logo with the R35, GTR R35. Of course, the beat rush shift knob makes driving much more fun. I actually have work right now. I think I'm running a little bit late. You guys are wondering which high school I went to? Right there. That was my classroom with the big old serendipity sign. Damn, that's crazy. Oh, they're in class. That's where I went to school. Whenever I used to ditch, I used to always hop that fence right there. That fence, and then I used to go around that way. Oh, shit, the light. I used to go around that way. And then I used to go to the liquor store. Go get some snacks and play Call of Duty. That's what I used to do. Crazy how time flies. We get some tunnel action. See if I can downshift. Check out those gauges. Boost, intake temperature, ethanol final, air fuel ratio, fly knock learn, and feedback knock. miles per hour, just the speed limit. And honestly, it's not too loud. There's not that much rattling going on right now. But the drone, I don't know. I mean, I feel like you can hear, but then sometimes I just honestly ignore it. Hey, the bar train. Sick. So I'm washing the car. I'm washing it with this mitt right here. I'm not using any brushes. I don't have that fancy sprayer washer thing. Gotta make sure I remove all the dirt and grime. Then I'll be washing the wheels. So I normally start washing the car first and then I move on to the wheels. Gonna make sure I get into all the spokes, to the wheel well, make sure we have these rays looking really good. Move on to the next one. There we go. Gotta clean those Brembos back there. Make sure we clean everything. I know grime usually gets around this little crack right here. So make sure, especially the exhaust, titanium. Hello people have been commenting in the comments saying that my tags have been expired. Don't worry guys, a new one is already coming. The diffuser. I know we gotta take one for the gram. Gotta pull out my phone. I gotta take one of the So something I just noticed on the car is that, check this out. So this happened when I was backroading in my previous video. So if you notice, I think it's the tire letters there rubbing on the fender, and it left this residue thing right here on the fender. So I'm gonna try to see if this comes off. If it doesn't, then I learned my lesson, and that means I gotta raise up the car. You can definitely see it, and if I go on the other side, I'm pretty sure it's right there too. Yeah, it's kind of right there too. It looks like it was rubbing. I'm gonna see if wax can take this off. So this is from when I was rubbing. Let's try this. Hopefully it's not into the primer. I doubt it though. Yeah, so look. It came off. Check that out. There's no cracked paint right here. No nothing. So just simply just from the tire letters rubbing on the fender. But it's all good. Car's nice and washed. Finally make more videos. Look at that. Wow. I noticed that over here on my front lip, there's this little tiny crack right there. So I need to fix that before I start spreading some more. So I might make a video about that too. And then to dry it, of course I use a chamois. This pretty much soaks up all the water. Pretty much go along with it like that. And then it just nice and dry. So that's what I do to dry it. So that's what I do to dry it, in case you guys are curious on how I dry my car. All right, check this out. You see those swirls? You can see them in the sunlight. That's because I washed it with the mint. So if I apply some wax, those swirls are gonna go away. Watch this. See them? They're all over right there too. So let me know what you guys think about these kind of videos. If you guys are very interested on how I detail my car, let me know and I'll make a video about that. All right, so I just finished waxing the trunk. So all of this area and on top of the rear bumper. Notice how all those swirls are now gone.